Have you ever felt the pressure of family members asking for money after you've achieved financial success? In this revealing video, we'll uncover the delicate balance between generosity and setting boundaries. If you don't watch till the end, you might miss crucial strategies that could save your relationships and your wealth. We'll even share a shocking story of when things backfired completely. Ready to master the art of handling money requests from loved ones? Hit that subscribe button now and let's dive into the wealth secrets that successful people use when family asks for money. 1. The golden rule of financial relationships. Establishing a clear principle for handling money requests is crucial. The golden rule is, we can offer to help, but please don't ask. This approach allows you to maintain control over your generosity while preventing others from seeing you as their personal ATM. By setting this expectation early, you can avoid awkward situations and preserve your relationships. For instance, when a family member hints at needing financial assistance, you can proactively offer help if you're able and willing, rather than feeling pressured to respond to a direct request. This method also encourages self-reliance among your loved ones, as they know not to depend solely on your wealth for their needs. 2. 3 critical situations for financial assistance. A. Pain relief, the health priority. Health-related expenses should almost always be a yes. If your money can alleviate pain or save a life, it's usually worth it. Consider the case of a successful entrepreneur who paid for his mother's cancer treatment, potentially adding years to her life and creating priceless memories. This act of generosity not only improved his mother's quality of life, but also strengthened their bond and gave the entire family more time together. It's a prime example of using wealth to make a meaningful difference in the lives of those you love most. B. Personal growth. Investing in education and experiences. Supporting educational endeavors or creating memorable experiences can be rewarding. For example, paying for a sibling's professional certification or organizing a family vacation to create lasting memories. These investments in personal growth and shared experiences often yield invaluable returns. Imagine sponsoring your niece's coding bootcamp, which leads to her landing a high-paying tech job, or funding a family reunion in a tropical paradise where 3 generations connect and create lifelong memories. These types of investments in your loved ones' futures and your shared experiences can strengthen family bonds and create a legacy beyond mere financial wealth. C. Business opportunities. Navigating the minefield. When family members approach you with business ideas, proceed with caution. Instead of simply giving money, consider offering expertise, limited financial support, or clear partnership terms. For instance, helping a cousin set up a restaurant by providing business advice and a one-time gift with the condition of no future requests. This approach allows you to support their entrepreneurial spirit without risking your entire relationship on the success of the venture. You might also connect them with industry mentors or help them refine their business plan, providing valuable assistance that goes beyond just writing a check. 3. The 3 levels of business help. A. Expertise with limited runway. Offer your knowledge and connections to help them start, but set clear time limits on your involvement. This approach provides valuable support without ongoing commitment. For example, you might agree to mentor your brother-in-law's startup for 6 months, offering weekly strategy sessions and introductions to potential investors. After the agreed-upon period, you step back, allowing them to apply what they've learned and grow independently. B. One-time gift with conditions. Give a portion of the requested amount as a gift, with the condition that they never ask for money again. This strategy provides help while setting clear boundaries for the future. For instance, if your sister needs $50,000 to start her business, you might gift her $20,000 with the understanding that this is a one-time offer. This approach allows you to be generous while protecting yourself from becoming an ongoing source of funding. C. Calculated partnerships. If you decide to become a business partner, establish clear terms and exit strategies. For example, becoming a silent partner with the agreement that they'll buy you out when the business succeeds. This could involve taking a 30% stake in your cousin's tech startup with a clause that allows them to purchase your shares at market value once the company reaches a certain valuation or revenue milestone. This approach aligns your interests while providing a clear path to full ownership for your family member. 4. The loan trap. Why lending to family can backfire. Avoid giving loans to family members at all costs. Lending money can transform your relationship from one of friendship to a creditor-debtor dynamic, potentially straining or ruining the relationship. Instead, consider gifts or investments in their personal growth. For example, Rather than lending your brother money to pay off his credit card debt, you might offer to pay for a financial management course and help him create a budget. This approach addresses the root of the problem while maintaining a healthy family dynamic. Remember, the goal is to help your loved ones become financially independent, not to create a cycle of dependency. If you're intrigued by these wealth secrets and want to learn more about managing your finances while maintaining healthy relationships, your journey doesn't end here. Our previous videos tackle even more surprising ways to achieve financial freedom and reveal the unexpected challenges you might face along the way. Ready to dive deeper into the world of wealth management and family dynamics? Click the link in the description to access our exclusive guide on mastering your money and preserving your most important relationships. Your financial future and your family bonds will thank you.